This is Ansley from the future of like 45 minutes later. I totally forgot to end the vlog, so thanks for watching, you guys. I felt like I did this. No, I definitely did. Okay, let me go find the footage and put it back in. Some fitness stuff. I don't like hearing the sound of my own voice, like at all, and I feel like 100% of human beings agree with that statement. Guys, this is the worst lighting in the history of lighting in the world. But this is day one in the new apartment, so we're back to the vlogs. The vlogs don't stop, the vlogs don't change. I got on a moo-moo because can't be bothered. Moving went fine. My mother and I had a heart-to-heart that was like, hey, you sat on my nerves yesterday, and there was like, hey, back at you. So we hashed that out. This is what the bedroom looks like so far. I got a Casper mattress, and it's amazing. So I got some really good sleep. I woke up at 3 again, per usual, with the bipolar. Love that, love her. So yeah, let me show you the room real quick. The air conditioning is on in my unit, but it's not really feeling like it. I have bay windows, so I'm gonna set up my filming situation right here. So there's so much stuff I have to buy, so yeah, when I can show it, I will show you guys. But nevertheless, the vlogs don't stop. And hi, new subscribers! Thanks for checking out my content. Love you, appreciate you. I think they are good at school.
I mean, it's going to be whatever it is, but we called you back.
Oh, you did?
Oh, I could.
Sitting outside on my balcony, eating French toast and not unpacking. Come here, mama. Come here, mama. Come on, mama. All right. Anyways, trying to keep my cat from hurting himself. It's the end of the day. Definitely have something in my eye. I have no idea what that is. Cool. So it's the end of the day. Ended up having a mood swing, so I'm like not in the best mood right now. But we went to a pizza place that was around the corner. It was alright. Did some moving around, purchasing of things, putting together of things. Got Momo a toy, which you guys saw. Got Luna a cat bed, not cat bed, cat tower, which you guys will see at some point. Put some stuff in my room, like my makeup stuff. Started organizing that. Moved the lamp around right there. So now I'm gonna try and make it to this 8:30 spin class and go to church tomorrow and try and get my mood right. I'm so mad. My skin is like freaking out. It's just like freaking out. But yeah, I mean, move today was fine. First day in the apartment was fine. This lighting is horrible. There we go. It's better. Now I just really want to feel better and go to sleep. So I will talk to you guys later. Morning, guys. Don't really know if I should have makeup on, but whatever. We are going into church. My mother is standing behind me wondering what I'm doing. This is my outfit. Not too much happened. Just, mother for scale. Just, like, pressed ground. Did some, like, unpacking and stuff like that. So the apartment's coming together quite nicely. Got a little peach iced tea with electrolytes. My mother is really wondering what I'm doing, so I'm gonna go. We're gonna go now. Just dropped my mom off at the train station, so she is gone, and now I'm gonna go to the grocery store. It's very hot out, but I'm gonna walk. And yeah, I don't know how interesting this vlog is gonna be, but I'm willing to share it with you guys. So let's go to the artisanal grocery store that I live near now. Whole Foods rip off. So close to being done. Look, ignore all the clutter. It's supposed to Hey there. Mr. Momo. Oh. You got it, Moms? You got it. Forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but it is Monday at 3 in the morning because I went to bed at 8 o'clock at night. So I'm like, okay, girl, that's what's up. This is not that girl. Anyways, I am feeding the cats because that's only fair. And I finally got them to eat out of their respective food bowls. So I'm super hyped about that. I've got one errand to run that's hella far away, and then that's it. That's my day. I gotta unpack all my clothes. As you can see, clothes everywhere. But yeah, that's it. Hello, kitchen. So I'm doing my face mask routine. I don't know if you guys can see this. I have a mask on. I have the hiccups. I have a mask on that I made. And then I did an ASAP mask before this, and I might do my detox mask after this. If you want to know what's on my face right now, just comment down below and I'll do a video. This is my favorite DIY mask. My skin looks amazing. Amazing afterwards. Mr. Momo, what are you doing? Nope. Have a seat, sir. Have a seat. There we go. Cat is the definition of food and comfort. Oh my goodness, these hiccups. I DIY'd this flower vase. It's not perfect. I got just a regular vase and painted it white. I might go back over it later on. But yeah, it looks really nice with the whole setup and everything. So my mom wanted me to send her a picture. Ignore the pajamas, ignore the video content, and I will do that for her right now. I put this mirror here, which is such a bad idea, because when I veg out, I can look over and just see myself looking vegged out. But that is some artwork I got in DC. It's so pretty. I don't know what to do with it other than just lean it against the wall, but I might lean it against the wall right there. Let's see what looks better. All right, so the mirror is slightly crooked, but whatevs. Oh, there's Mom in the back. I like this. I'm gonna end up moving this white thing. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it yet, so that's where it lives for now. But I think I like this a little bit better. Yeah, I think I like this a little bit better. Here is my art wall. I figured I would just tape everything up, and then I made a little makeshift lamp situation right there. So it's a really old IKEA bulb that I don't have the lampshade for it. I don't know if I ever got the lampshade, but then I just put it in a little glass vase. So if I take it out, it's definitely brighter. Part of it is that sticker on the bottom, so I might try and remove that. I feel like that's a little bit brighter. I took some baking soda and dish detergent and got the sticker off the bottom. I decided to paint my yellow chair white until I get the chair that I've been looking at. So that's what it looks like. I just used the same acrylic paint that I used to, just making sure it's actually on the thing and not on the wood, that I used to paint my, making it worse. That I used to paint my base with. So hopefully it'll stay on, but I should be ordering the chair within the month. And then you can see my little kitty patty through the window. I don't know where the other one is. All right, let's go back inside. But here's the view. It's super pretty out. It's gorgeous. Right now, I'm headed to Soulcycle. This is kind of a clutter situation we have going on. But I've got on my Atlanta Track Club shirt. And then it's kind of low. And then this is a Victoria's Secret bra that's a little jazzier than I thought it would be. Anywho, I'm going to be late to class, so time to go. Just finished Soulcycle right there. It was a hip hop theme. Bit of a disappointment. Got a pumpkin spice latte and an almond croissant. And now I'm going back to my apartment. It's like a 20 or 30-minute walk, so I'm gonna head back. I took the trolley back home and it let me off like right near my apartment, which is super exciting. I was gonna go to the movies today, but I'm really tired. So I think I'm gonna wash my hair, soak in the bath, and finish unpacking and call it a day. The film was good. Like I said, the music was a little disappointing, but yeah, that's the trolley that let me out right in front of my apartment. I'm so excited. I have a few Amazon packages that are coming, so I'm going to keep an eye out for those. Leasing is open today, and the desk attendant can take them anyway, so should get my packages today. Fingers crossed. And yeah, so look, I'm just going to go like crash on the couch. Not couch, I just ordered a couch. And my mattress and take a nap, but I don't want to be dirty, so I'm gonna take a shower first. There's something wrong with my washer, dryer, and something wrong with the aircon, so maintenance is in here fixing things for me. I'm not gonna do a haul video because this is just too little stuff, but stuff from Amazon, new makeup mirror, ordered the wrong size battery. These are quadruple A and I need a triple, and then more of my electrolyte supplements, and this is a bamboo coat rack. Let's see, I'm going to show you guys the electrolyte supplements that I use. I highly recommend these, making salmon. I highly recommend these to anyone that needs electrolytes. Have you ever like taken a nap and then woke up and you're like, I need another nap? That's me right now. I definitely need another nap. I'm sitting here watching Community. I don't know if you can see that. The iPad's right there. And I just called Caudalie to see if this grape water's expired. I got it 2 years ago, so I feel like, yes. I have on a robe, but no pants. So anyway, yeah, you can't really see anything. All right, great. So I took a nap, AKA Momo took a nap with me because he's obsessed with that Casper mattress as well as me. Still waiting for the chair to dry. Super tired. Ate some dinner. I'm trying to get away from having desserts for dessert and having like fruit. But watermelon is high as hell, and I'm not like gonna cut up a watermelon. This is not gonna happen, and like drag it from the store. So I've been buying some watermelon, and then I have to redo a video and then edit like 3 videos. So I'll probably get to that tomorrow and then film like 10 videos for something else. So I'll get to that tomorrow. Tomorrow I should be starting my therapy. I'm not sure I really want to do it. Like, I'm not sure if I need it right now, but I should at least go for the first day and see how it goes. So I'll give that a try. Right now it's 6:30, so I have plenty of time to drink my coffee that I just warmed up and get some work done. So that chair is not dry. I was gonna sit in the white chair, but I don't think it's dry. So I'm gonna sit in this one that I share with my cats. Yeah, I'm sitting in this one that I share with my cats. I keep looking over here, but like you guys are right here. So yeah, time to get to work. Straight up WWE earlier, and now I think she wants to play with him, so we're gonna open up the door. There goes Mr. Momo. Oh, nope, no. Oh, man. Like, sometimes you want to do work, and sometimes you, like, really don't. I'm kind of in between right now. This could go either way for me. I, like, legit have to get this work done. This video is going up tomorrow. So I have to do it. And then I have to edit, like, 3 videos. And Momo needs some attention, which, of course, Momo. Gotta give my cat some attention. There we go. But my channel's growing, so hey, new people, really appreciate you guys sticking with me. I also need a new channel trailer, so that's fun stuff. I'll try and record that tomorrow. right now the cats are getting along. Before it was WWE in my apartment, so I had to separate them for a little bit, for a teensy weensy bit. But they're good now. They're behaving. So yeah, I think I'm supposed to start therapy tomorrow. I'm not gonna be like, I'm not going to therapy so I can film. When I get back, if I'm emotionally okay, I do want to film like 8 videos. I think I said that earlier. It might be 10. I don't know what I told you. Don't quote me. I do want to film a lot of videos now that my filming situation is what I want it to be. So, I mean, filming is one of those, like, you just sit down and film a whole bunch of videos and then you edit them later. That's what it is. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog. It's Monday. Happy Labor Day weekend. This is my first day in the apartment by myself, fully 24 hours. My mom was here yesterday and she left, which you guys would have seen by now. So yeah, so it's good. I realized I was afraid that the apartment would be too big, and I realized that I'm able to keep myself company and I have things to do. So the apartment, yes. The apartment is big, but I have been keeping myself company. So yeah, I'm just gonna work. It's 8:15 right now, so I'll probably work until about 9-10 maybe. Latest therapy tomorrow starts at 8:30. So it's about 6 hours of therapy. I think it's going to be a little too much. I think I was in a different mental state when I agreed to this, but then you're always in a different mental state when you agree to things. So I'm going to try it and see if the more intense version is for me. They have like a 2-hour thing you can do every day, but I don't want to be like a little traumatized every day. So I'm supposed to bring lunch for that. I'm probably gonna go grill some chicken in a minute and just do like a bed of lettuce and call it a day. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be vlogging much this week. Or maybe my vlog this week will be about intense, like just therapy, either inpatient or day patient. No, whatever the terms are. We'll see it in my vlog. I will talk about therapy in my next vlog. I don't know when it's going up. It won't be real time. I've already got stuff scheduled. So it won't be real time, but it'll be out. All right, so that is it, you guys. Thank you for checking me out. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this content. Mixing it up, doing a little fruit baskets worth of things. So if you like wellness, mental health, I will be doing some fitness stuff, beauty, makeup, skincare, mental health, Weight Watchers, blogs. If you love any of that stuff, please consider sticking on by. Notification bell is there if you need it. And yeah, give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys actually like the content that I'm creating. I sit here and look at my channel analytics all the time. That's not my channel. I was looking at someone else's. So I look and see like what videos you guys actually like from me. So yeah. All right, guys. I will see you guys later. Take care. Have a good night. Have a good morning. Good afternoon. Whenever you see this. And yeah. Bye, guys.